welcome to our life in the Philippines. We've been on the lazy side today, but we're going to go and get us some barbecues, have some dinner. Believe there's some rain coming in here in a minute. And we got a little visit today. Our baby here came and visited with us. He is one of the nephews, and he's staying with us for a couple of days. So where are we going?
Wait.
Go with Tita. Hold Tita. Hold Tita. Close the door.
Wait lang. Huwag mo kay dito.
Hello. Look, Saint. Who is that? Who is that? Huh? Look. Are you in a bad mood today? No? Are you happy? Can I see smile then? See, thumbs up and smile. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up daw, ganon.
Alright, so we're going to take a quick walk here and go and get some barbecue. Tito's right here. Tito's here. We're gonna go down to our favorite place where we normally go when we want some pork barbecue. So we just get some pork? Okay. How many do you want?
How many more money you have?
Well, I got enough for... Or you want some intestine? That's 4.
Hot dog. One hot dog for him.
Okay. Okay, that'll be it. He's not in the mood. I think you're in the bad mood today, huh? Are you in bad mood? Sing. Are you in bad mood today? He's not very talkative today. You want bite? Hey, you want hot dog? You want hot dog?
Oh, kausap pa rin dito.
You want hot dog?
You want hot dog daw.
You want hot dog? Yes? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Siguro thumbs up. He's mad. They said, oh, Benz, yes.
Okay. Alright. Got an umbrella?
Anong gawa niya?
Alright, so we're just waiting for our barbecue to go home. The little one here is not in a good mood, so he wants to do his own thing. Look who's here. Look who's here. Look who's there.
Ala, police.
Ah,
Ala, police.
who is that?
Police.
Oh, police. No, it's not police. That's not the police.
I have car.
It's a car, yes. That's great. Why is he? What is he saying?
Yeah, I said, you want me to open this one? I said, no, because it's not raining yet.
It's not raining yet. You don't need to open it.
An oras na. He's asking what time is it?
What time is it raining? Was that what he was asking?
Yeah.
What time is going to start rain?
Kana.
We don't know what time it's going to rain.
Ganyan na lang.
Saying, we don't know what time it's going to rain.
Hindi daw alam ni Tito. Kailan na ito.
He is very...
Open na natin yung umbrella.
He's very aware. The camera is on.
Huwag mo na-open kasi hindi pa naulan eh. Tusok, tutusukin kita.
Are you singing?
Hoy, are you singing daw?
Hello, I got you. I got you on the camera.
Alis ka dyan. Move, move. Move. Move doon. You move.
He's just being a little bratty. Won't listen.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Sing, baby sing.
Now we're
Papaya.
on.
Papaya.
It's done.
Banana na dito. Banana na dito. Salad. Salad. Watermelon. Watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. Banana na dito. Banana na dito. Salad.
Alright, so we got our barbecue and we are about heading back home here and gonna eat some dinner. And thanks for watching. We'll see you soon again, and don't forget to subscribe and share and like and dislike if you want. Up to you. God bless. Take care.